And we have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time as the RSS holds its centenary celebrations. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has compared the Sangh to Zionists in Israel. Addressing a public meeting in Kannur, in fact, Pinarayi Vijayan has said the Zionists in Israel and RSS in India are twin brothers. Taking a jibe over the H-1B visa fee hike imposed by US President Donald Trump, he also questioned Prime Minister Modi's silence on that matter. He also said that Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a humble servant of US President Donald Trump. According to him, Prime Minister Modi did not say a word when the Trump administration brought Indian citizens in handcuffs or increased visa fee. If it is a self-respecting nation, blood will flow, but we have seen rulers who become humble servants. He has also accused Modi government of not responding even when Trump raised tariffs on Indian goods. So a scathing remark there coming in from Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, and it is the political war of words that we are now witnessing. Earlier we had a reaction coming in from leaders of the Congress party raising questions on the speech by RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat earlier today. Remember, Udit Raj called RSS a terrorist organization, and you have now Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, who has compared RSS to Zionists in Israel. That's the latest update coming in. We have my colleague Arpita joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Arpita, give us more details. What exactly has Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said about the RSS?
Well, yesterday in Kannur, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan was addressing, and he compared RSS. He said that he compared the Sangh to the Zionists in Israel. So while addressing the public meeting, he said Zionists in Israel and RSS in India are twin brothers. So this was the statement that he came out yesterday. In fact, he also went on to tweet yesterday about RSS, and he has hit out at RSS saying that commemorating RSS with a postage stamp and a 100-rupee coin is a grave insult to our constitution, is what he has said. So time and again, he has expressed his displeasure over RSS celebrations.
Right. Stay on with us, Arpita. We